StreamLabs best setting for streaming. Having a very good streaming is crucial for smooth and high quality streaming to engage with your audience more properly. So let's get started with it. First off, I want you to go ahead and open your settings. After that, go to stream, and here see all the streaming patches you have, streaming destinations you have. Just choose one of them that you're gonna be streamed. After that, go to output, and here on streaming you can see video bitrate option. Before that, let's go to output mode, and here make that simple option to advanced. After that, here you can see the encoder option. Choose software. If you have better than that, just choose any option you have. And here you can see the rate control option, make it to CVR. And under there is the bitrate option, make it to, let's say, 3000. And then just below that you can see other options like profile, make it to high. And then go to audio. Here make the audio bitrate to 160 or higher than that. Just scroll and name the first audio desktop if you are using the desktop microphone, and if you're using the track 2, then which is most likely a microphone that you're connecting, just name it microphone and tap. And then let's go to video. Here make it to a resolution. Highest resolution is more good, but if your laptop doesn't support it, just go to a lesser version than that. And output scale should be up to 180 into 720, and downscale into make it bicubic, and change the FPS type into common FPS values. Tap on it and make the FPS value into 30. And then that's it. That is one of the best settings that you may have for streaming in 2024, or you may just customize it accordingly if it is unsuitable for you. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.